Ouch! Just look at the Canuck buck being beaten down lower and lower this year. Well, at least it's slowing down a bit. Let's take this little pause to talk about what forces will be acting on the Canadian dollar to US dollar exchange rate. First up is oil, because Canada is a major oil exporter, especially to the US, so the CAD is highly sensitive to oil prices. When oil prices rise, such as during an energy shock, the Canadian dollar typically strengthens because export revenues increase. This has recently made the CAD one of the stronger G10 currencies. Though this might be short-lived, because in the longer term, during economic uncertainty, investors often shift to safe haven currencies, like the USD or Swiss franc, which can weaken the CAD even if oil prices are high. And the full effects of the recent oil shock have yet to be fully realized. Another thing to consider is Canada's trade position being at a trade deficit. In other words, imports exceeding exports, which can weaken the CAD because more foreign currency is needed to pay for imports. Recently, Canada's trade deficit widened significantly due to surging imports, despite strong exports. When looking at the trade balance in the area of precious metals, there was also a sharp rise in gold imports. That was a key reason the deficit expanded to a 6-month high and reduced Canada's trade surplus with the US. On top of that, the Bank of Canada has taken a more cautious stance due to weak growth, limiting support for the CAD compared to countries signaling rate hikes. Then there's also rising unemployment, which has even gone up to 6.7%, along with job losses that signal a weakening economy. These signs tend to pressure the Canadian dollar, and because the Bank of Canada is prioritizing weak growth over inflation, it has taken a cautious, dovish stance, holding rates steady. Again, this reduces support for the CAD compared to currencies with higher or rising interest rates. And that's why, even though the CAD is taking a small spring break, there are lots of factors favoring further falling.